Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up our What's up guys, welcome back to the High PSI Performance YouTube channel. We got another banger for you today, and it is this Scatpack. And what are we doing to this Scatpack, you ask? Bam! We're doing an airlift suspension, putting bags on her. So, got everything opened up, did our inventory, and we're gonna get after it. This thing's getting a 3H system, or a 3P, excuse me, with dual compressors and a decently sized, I think the second level up, not the smallest tank that they offer, but the next size up. But yeah, this one's gonna be cool. So as you guys can see, we've got both fronts installed here. We gotta convert, well, John's already taken them off, but we gotta put the new fitting on because this car is getting the 1/2-inch lines. So we're gonna get those changed out, and then John's getting started on the rear here. So we're gonna start assembling the rear stuff, and then we started to get a layout of what we're gonna do for the tank and the compressors. So we're gonna get all the fittings attached, get everything marked out, and then get everything mounted, so that way we can just take this. It'll be a modular unit where all you have to do is unplug the lines and you'll be able to pull this whole thing out and put it back in. So we go ahead and get all the fittings on, and then get it mounted in the trunk. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the rear bags all in, and then John is starting to run the lines up to the front of the car. We actually already have the driver's side ran. So we went inside the frame rail and then come out, put it on the inside of the inner fender, and then routed the stainless line into the back. So we're gonna go ahead and mimic it on the other side and then get our rear ones done. Once all of our lines are ran, we'll get them plumbed into the trunk, and then we can start mounting everything else up and get our management plumbed. Give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. Got this thing sitting all the way down, so that way we can start working in the trunk. But as you can see, we got our lines in here. We're starting to lay our harness out, figure out where everything's going. We're gonna go ahead and start mounting stuff, zip tying, getting it all cleaned up, and getting it ran where everything needs to be. We are getting close. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up our 2016 Scatpack with the airlift suspension on it. Woo! Look at that bad girl. Sitting low, tucking. Pop the trunk for you guys, show you what the setup looks like. We didn't do a custom setup, we just did kind of a basic one. At some point, if you'd like to bring it back, we can do some crazy stuff. But there you have it. So we went ahead, large air tank, twin compressors. This thing airs up quick. That way you can actually play around with it for a little bit without it running out of air. But man, she turned out great. Got the auto lift on start set up, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So you wake up in the morning, come out to your baby. like that. She's ready. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and hop in her and show you some of the modes that we've got preset in it. Slam this thing up, raise it up, just so you guys can see how much it can be adjusted. There you guys have it, 2016 Scatpack airlift suspension, all wrapped up. Tell me what you guys think of this airlift down in the comment sections below. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.